Hello my dear students, how are you today? I'm Mrs. Hiba. I'm Math teacher for grade 2 ببرنامج الحصة. Today we'll have a new lesson. First of all, let's count them together. How many bars of chocolate here in each group? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4. And the other group we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4. And the last group we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's count them together or join them together. So I will write 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Super, excellent. But it's too long. Yes, it's too long. Number 4 is repeated more times. Number 4 is repeated more times. Times is our lesson today. Our lesson today is about times or multiply. To know what's the meaning of multiplication or multiply? Okay. This sign for multiply. This called time. This called time. In addition we use plus. In subtraction we use minus. But in multiply we use time. This called time or multiply or by. In time we ask ourselves two questions. Two questions. What is repeated and how many times? What is repeated? We write here. What is repeated and how many times?
Nice.
Let's solve exercise together to know what's the meaning of multiplication. Let's count how many fish here in each group. We have 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3. And here we have 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3. And here 1, 2, 3, 3. So let's write them, count them together. So I will write super. Yes, 3 plus 3 plus 3. But it's too long. Yes, so let's write it in short way by using. Yes, excellent. By using time. By using time. So I will write time here and ask ourselves. Yes, super. What is repeated and how many times? What is repeated here? Number 3. Super. So I will write 3. How many times number 3 is repeated? How many times? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3 times 3. 3 times 3.
Mama.
Another exercise. Let's count here how many ducks. Yes, we have here small ducks. Let's count how many ducks in each group. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them together. So I will write 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's too long, so I will use super time. I will use time sign. And ask myself, yes, what and how? What is repeated? Number 5. So I will write 5. How many times number 5 repeated? How many times? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 5 times 3. Let's count how many flowers in each vase. Here we have 1, 2, 3. And here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them together. So I will write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. But it's too long. So I will use time. I will use time sign. So I will write. Yes. Yes, I ask myself, super. Yes, what is repeated and how many times? What is repeated here? Number 3. So I will write 3. How many times number 3 repeated? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4. 3 times 4. The last one. Let's count here how many hats in each group. How many hats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. But can I write it by using time? Yes. Ask myself. Yes, super excellent. 2 questions. What is repeated and how many times? What is repeated here? Number 5. Number 5 is repeated. How many times number 5 repeated? How many times? 1, 2. So I will write 5 times 2. 5 times 2. So our lesson today about time. Our lesson today about times. Times is a shortcut for repeated addition. Times is a shortcut for repeated addition. In times, we ask ourselves 2 questions. What and how? What is repeated and how many times? Yes, super excellent. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to do your homework and goodbye.